Today we're going to be making chicken and wild rice casserole. It's a good dish. It's easy. It's not that hard to make. I bought a box of wild rice, 6 ounces, and I went ahead and cooked it. Just follow the instructions on the back, you know. Add some butter, olive oil with water, and let it cook for 20 minutes. I've got 6 ounces of mushrooms, sliced mushrooms. I didn't chop them up, I just left them whole. I won't put them in there. And I've got 1 small diced onion that we'll put in there too. We're going to saute these two for a little bit. We'll put some pepper and a little bit of salt and get these sauteing. I got my 13 by 9 sprayed with some cooking spray. I got my oven on 375, and we're just gonna let these saute until they're tender. I haven't made this recipe in particular before, but I've made some like it. So we're going to try this one out. Usually I use broccoli, but today I'm using mushrooms and usually I use white rice, but I'm using wild rice. Put a little bit of garlic in it. About a teaspoon. Okay, we're going to put this in a bowl. It's already tender. Then we're going to do the chicken. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of butter. And we're going to brown the chicken. We're going to season them with some basil. Thyme. And garlic, salt. We're going to season them on the other side. We're just going to get these slightly brown. We got the chicken nice and brown. Now we're going to combine it all. The wild rice. And we're going to put those mushrooms and onions in there. And the sour cream. half a cup of cheese. Okay. 2 tablespoons of just going to use this. And 1 can of chicken soup. Mix this all up. And then we're going to lay it in our casserole, 13 by 9. Okay, I'm going to spread it out. This is going to be so good. And we're going to put the chicken on top. We're going to cover it with foil and we're going to bake it for 20 minutes. And then after 20 minutes, we're going to take it out, uncover it, and then we're going to put the last half of a cup of cheese. And we're back. I got the casserole out of the oven. Woo, it's hot. It was in there for 20 minutes. I'm going to take it out, this foil off. Oh, don't that look good? We're going to put half a cup of cheese on the top. Spread it around. We're going to put it back in the oven for 6 to 8 minutes until it's hot and bubbly and the cheese has melted. Let it sit for about 10 minutes to cool off, and it's going to be good. Look at that cheese and that rice and mushrooms. It smells so good. As they say, I wish I had smell-o-vision, but I hope you try this. It's going to be good, warm. It'll be great on these cold nights. So I hope you try it, and as always, God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.